Hi, so we've been getting a lot of questions about how durable our screens are on our interactive panels. So we have Carlos here today, and he's going to show us.
We summoned Carlos, 3-time QBA champion gold medalist, to put the QOMO BundleBoard Eye interactive display to the test of durability. The real question was, would he break the BundleBoard Eye, or would the BundleBoard Eye break him?
Let's see if the BundleBoard Eye still works. There we go. While we don't recommend trying this at home, we wanted to show the durability of our glass. It is 3.2 millimeters thick, so it holds up pretty well.